Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to post on Bereal app. So guys, at first make sure that you have an account on your Bereal app. So let's continue into your Bereal app. Now in the Bereal app you cannot post more than once in one day. So just tap on the take your Bereal option. Now take a Bereal. And then just tap on the send icon. So guys, as you can see, the Bereal is successfully posted. So that's it, and that's how you can post on Bereal very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.